too shaky. I wanted to touch on this topic. A few of you guys have been asking my opinion, and I'm always willing to share it about coupons.com, about them no longer having printables, and do I feel like it's the end of extreme couponing? I don't, to be honest. I don't. I feel like as long as we still have coupons, paper coupons, insert coupons, will be fine, to be honest. Don't get me wrong, there are a lot of times where that printable coupon, the value is so much better than the insert or paper coupon is. There's tons of times that happens, you know. That does happen, you know what I mean? And it is what it is. If they decide to stop offering printable coupons, then there's not really much we can do about that. I'm gonna probably link a couple articles in the description box for you guys to read over and just kind of see what you feel it means. From my understanding is they're not gonna have the coupons.com. Well, I don't know if they're gonna have the site anymore. I believe we should still be getting printables or have printables available to us up until the end of this year, but after that I'm not sure. All right, I hope the AC is not too loud because it's like 80 degrees. It feels hotter than that. Basically, I think what it stems from is the fact that people are just not using printable coupons as much as we used to, you know, and that a lot more people are using digital coupons, you know. And I know there's been tons of times where I've used a digital coupon because maybe I didn't have a chance to print it, so I went ahead and used digital. So from my understanding is that the numbers as far as the amount of printables that were used has dropped tremendously to the point where they feel like, okay, well, people really don't need printables. People really don't want printables. I mean, based on the numbers, people are using digital coupons more than they're using printables. So, and it's funny because I've heard one of my Ip Fairies mention that before, saying, and that's why she would give out free coupons all the time, because if we're not using the coupons, then it just shows we don't really need them. And so, and I remember that was, because she mentioned it and I was like, huh? So that's why she would always give out free coupons, free IPs, because she saves them, but it's like, if nobody uses them, then it's almost like pointless. Like coupons.com, they'd be like, okay, well, nobody's using these coupons, or nobody's printing them, or nobody's redeeming them, so they must not be that important. And that's what my take was on it as to why they're getting rid of printables. Now, I know that for some people it's not really a shock because some stores don't even take printables. Like, I know a lot of you guys have said some Walmarts don't even take printables no more. Some stores just don't with printables. And it's understandable with the whole fraud situation and people copying coupons, making their own, like, build a freaking coupon. And so I get it. I absolutely 100% get it. Now, I haven't had any issues with them telling me that they won't take printables no matter where I've gone. I've been able to use printables. I do use way more insert coupons than printables. I only use printables if it's obviously if the value is much better than an insert coupon. Printables is just easy. You print it from home. It's convenient. We have a lot of people that don't buy coupons. They don't buy inserts. So printables have always been the go-to for people like that just choose not to buy inserts. To buy newspapers. Flipping newspapers are expensive. Like, I don't know about you guys, but the last time I bought newspaper website was like $3. Like, who wants to pay $3 for a flipping newspaper? And obviously you're not going to use all of the coupons. So if it's more convenient for you to go and print coupons from home, then that's what a person's going to do. But me personally, I don't really necessarily feel like it's going to be that big of a deal, to be honest. We're couponers. We're resilient. We can find a way. Like, a couponer is going to find a way. She's still going to get a deal regardless. And so I don't think that this is going to stop anything. I don't think that this is going to be, I don't think this is the end of couponing or extreme couponing at all, because as long as I can still use paper coupons, insert coupons, then I'm going to still get a deal. You know, I buy 2 bundles every week, basically, which is 20. So I'm gonna always be able to get a deal, and that's, as a couponer, that's how you should feel about it. You have people that never use printables, period. So I mean, not everybody's gonna be affected by it. Not everybody's gonna feel the same way about it. But again, I personally feel that it's nothing. You know, I feel like it's nothing. It's something that had been mentioned, you know, a while ago, and here we are now today, and it's coming to the realization that, you know, internet printables could be coming to an end. Now, from my understanding, they're switching over to another company that we've used before as far as an app, Shopmium. It didn't last very long. I thought it was whack. So they're supposed to be revamping that. I don't know how they're going to do it. I know that, remember back when we had Saving Star, you guys? When Saving Star ended, it's like everything went towards on coupons.com. So it was more or less like, I don't know if it was coupons.com buying out Saving Star, but a lot of the offers were Saving Star offers. I don't know if you guys noticed that. I'm sure a lot of you did notice that. A lot of the offers that we started to see on coupons.com were Saving Star type offers, spend this, get that, which had never been a part of the coupons.com app. And so once Saving Star got shut down or whatever, basically it kind of meshed with coupons.com, and so now they want to bring back Shopmium. And to be honest, I know that I did use it, and I don't feel like it was really worth it to me. So I don't know how much they're going to change. Are they still going to offer some type of printable coupons? Because I feel like people still want to be able to print coupons, and people still want the convenience of being able to print coupons. You know, at the same time, I can understand coupons.com wanting the control of knowing that a person's only going to be able to have access to one. You know, at the same time, we have households that need multiples of, and that's just the way it is. And what is a person going to do? They're going to have multiple accounts, you know? I mean, I have 2 coupons.com accounts. I'm not ashamed to say that, but I do. This is something that we'll definitely get over. Like, I don't think it's that big of a deal. I know that I use a lot of printables, you know, but it is what it is, you know? As long as I still have insert coupons, I ain't tripping. To be honest, it's not the flipping end of extreme coupon. I would still consider myself to be an extreme couponer, and this is definitely not the end of it. We, as couponers, we find ways to still get deals regardless, and we have, as things have changed with time, you know, offering less coupons. Who remembers when P&G was offered for the whole flipping month? Like, I missed that. I miss knowing that a coupon was good for the whole entire month. No. More than half of P&G coupons expire mid-month, around the 13th, somewhere up in there. Have constantly been changing, yet we have been able to get through it, you guys. Whether it's shorter expiration dates on coupons, whether it's limiting on coupons, whether it's you know, lowering values of coupons. I feel like we've always been able to find a way to make it work. We've always been able to find a deal regardless, and I feel like we still will do that. Other than that, that's my take on it, you guys. I'd love to know how you guys feel about it in the comments. But yeah, we'll be fine. We'll be absolutely 100% fine, you guys. I could see if they were getting rid of all coupons, then I'd be like, okay, yeah, Dad, yeah, it's dead. Yeah, couponing is dead because there's no coupons. But we do still have access to coupons. We should still have access to printable coupons for the next, until the end of this year, from my understanding. And it may even be longer than that. You know, I think we just really have to wait and see what happens. Other than that, again, love to hear what you guys have to say in the comments, and I will see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye, guys.